If you had invested just $1,000 in XRP back in 2020, those 2,000 XRP coins would be worth a whole lot more today. In fact, I'm going to show you a few different price scenarios that could unfold for XRP over the next few years. Trust me, the numbers might just blow your mind. Return to all-time high back in 2018. During the last major crypto bull run, XRP hit an all-time high of $3.84. That was a wild ride, to say the least. The crypto market was on fire, and XRP was one of the biggest beneficiaries. Let's start with a scenario that might seem a bit conservative, but still holds a lot of promise. What if XRP were to return to its previous all-time high of $3.84? I know that might sound like a stretch, given the current market conditions, but hear me out. XRP has shown that it's capable of reaching those lofty heights. So if XRP were to reach its all-time high of $3.84, those 2,000 XRP coins you've been holding onto would be worth a whopping $7,680. That's a huge return on investment, to say the least. However, that was a long time ago, and a lot has changed since then. I think the fact remains that XRP has the potential to reclaim those price levels and even surpass them. After all, the crypto market is constantly evolving, and we've seen some truly remarkable comebacks in the past. Just look at Bitcoin. It's had its fair share of ups and downs, but it's always managed to bounce back stronger than ever. And I believe XRP could follow a similar trajectory, especially if the ongoing legal battle with the SEC is resolved in its favor. Reaching Ethereum-like market cap. Okay, let's take things up a notch. What if XRP were to reach a market cap similar to Ethereum's last cycle peak of $559 billion? Again, that might sound like a lofty goal, but it's not entirely out of the realm of possibility. I mean, Ethereum has long been considered the second largest crypto by market cap, and for good reason. It's the backbone of the DeFi ecosystem, and its utility and adoption continue to grow. If Ethereum were a country, it would have the 27th largest economy in the world. Not bad for a bunch of lines of code, am I right? Anyway, so if XRP were to capture a significant portion of the institutional and enterprise crypto market, it could very well reach a market cap similar to Ethereum's. In this scenario, let's say XRP hits $10 per coin. That means those 2,000 XRP coins you've been holding onto would be worth a cool $20,000. Ha! That's the kind of return that could really make a difference in someone's financial future. $20,000 could pay off your student loans, or put a down payment on a new car. Heck, it could even fund a pretty sweet vacation to the Bahamas, with plenty of rum punch to go around. Of course, this is all contingent on XRP being able to carve out a sizable niche for itself in the institutional and enterprise crypto market. But with its fast, low-cost, and scalable cross-border payment capabilities, I believe XRP has a real shot at doing just that, especially if the SEC lawsuit is resolved in its favor, paving the way for wider adoption. Capturing 25% of Bitcoin's potential market cap. Alright, now let's really get into the realm of the truly extraordinary. What if XRP were to capture 25% of Bitcoin's potential market cap? As we all know, Bitcoin is the granddaddy of cryptocurrencies, currently sitting on a market cap of around $1 trillion. But many experts believe that its true potential market cap could be as high as $3.6 trillion. I believe that's a staggering number, and it's not entirely out of the realm of possibility. Okay, so let's say XRP were to capture 25% of Bitcoin's potential $3.6 trillion market cap. That would put the price of XRP at around $65 per coin. And yeah, with 2,000 XRP in your portfolio, that would translate to a mind-boggling $130,000 in value. I know, that's a lot of ifs and buts involved. And I am really going off the deep end here. Crazy talk. But the fact remains that if XRP were to capture a significant portion of Bitcoin's potential market cap, the upside could be truly astronomical. Reasons for optimism on XRP. Okay, so we've explored some truly tantalizing price scenarios for XRP, but you all might be thinking, what's the basis for all this optimism, man? Current discount compared to highs. Well, first of all, the current state of XRP's price. As you may have noticed, XRP is currently trading at a significant discount compared to its previous all-time highs. And you know what they say, buy low, sell high, right? I'm not saying that XRP is guaranteed to reach those lofty heights again, but the fact that it's trading at a discount presents a potential buying opportunity for savvy investors. After all, if XRP were to even come close to reclaiming its previous all-time high, those 2,000 coins you've been holding onto could be worth a whole lot more than they are right now. Yes, the crypto market is inherently volatile. We've seen assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum go through some truly wild price swings over the years. So the current discount on XRP could be a sign that the tide is about to turn in its favor. The current discount on XRP could also have a significant psychological impact on the crypto community. Think about it. If XRP were to bounce back and reach new heights, it would be a major confidence booster for the entire ecosystem. It would show that XRP is a viable and resilient asset, capable of withstanding the ups and downs of the market. Expanding cycles theory. Another reason for optimism on XRP is the so-called expanding cycles theory. This concept suggests that the current alt season, which we're arguably in the midst of, could be much larger and more impactful than previous ones. The crypto market has a tendency to go through these cyclical periods of growth and consolidation, and each time, the peaks and valleys tend to become more pronounced. In other words, the highs get higher and the lows get lower. Now, if this theory holds true, it could mean that the current alt season we're experiencing could be even more explosive than the ones we've seen in the past. Yes, if the expanding cycles theory is correct, it could mean that XRP, which has already shown its ability to reach dizzying heights, could be poised for an even more dramatic surge in the coming years. We've already seen some pretty impressive price action in the altcoin market over the past year or so. In 2021, we saw Dogecoin, a meme coin that was once the laughingstock of the crypto world, surge by over 15,000% at its peak. That's right, 15,000%. Solana, a relative newcomer to the crypto scene, saw its price skyrocket by over 11,000% in the same year. So this expanding cycles theory is an intriguing concept that's worth keeping an eye on, especially if you're bullish on XRP. XRP's advantages for payments. Moving on, there's one last reason for optimism about XRP, which is its potential to disrupt the traditional cross-border payments industry. I think it's one of the key advantages that XRP has over its competitors. Have you ever tried to send money overseas using the legacy financial system? Slow, expensive, and downright frustrating. But XRP is designed to be a fast, low-cost, and scalable solution for moving money around the world. In a world that is becoming increasingly globalized, that's a pretty big deal. Recently, a judge has ruled that XRP is not a security in its ongoing legal battle with the SEC. So I think once all this regulatory uncertainty is cleared up, businesses and institutions might be more inclined to embrace XRP as a payment solution. According to a recent study, the global cross-border payments market is expected to reach a staggering $35.8 trillion by 2025. If XRP can capture even a small slice of that pie, it could mean big things for the crypto. XRP is already disrupting traditional remittance services like Western Union and MoneyGram. These companies have been charging exorbitant fees for years, and it's about time someone put them out of business. My point is, when you combine XRP's technical advantages with the potential resolution of the SEC lawsuit, you got a recipe for some serious growth potential. And that's why I believe XRP is a cryptocurrency worth keeping a close eye on, especially as we look ahead to 2025 and beyond. Conclusion and call to action. And with that, let's end today's video. I know there are a lot of ifs and buts involved, and the crypto market is notoriously unpredictable. However, the fact remains that XRP has shown remarkable resilience in the face of adversity, and it continues to offer some truly compelling advantages for cross-border payments. So what do you think? Do you see a bright future for XRP? Or do you think I'm just blowing smoke? Chuckle. Drop your comments below. And if there's any other topic you'd like us to cover, let us know that too. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on the truth about how much XRP you need to retire. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.